when you apply for a house sit for shits and giggles for the weekend in the Canary Islands and don't think they accept, and they do. And so now you have to frantically pack to get to the airport. All right, I made it to the airport. Great. I'll back this story up a little bit. I was supposed to have surgery today, and that did not happen. It got postponed a week, so now I'm trying to maximize that time. All right, I am in Madrid. You definitely need 2 hours at least to clear passport control.